What's up, guys? We're back. Today we're going to be installing this new GPS. What is it? 8610 XSV GPS map Garmin on the boat. Got it for a crazy deal. You guys saw that on the last video. And we're going to be trying this. Some Cafe Sedan, Cafe Vietnamien. What the hell? Got it from H Mart. It's probably going to run right through me, but... Oh, it's not bad. It kind of tastes like coffee candy. Let's see. It's cool. It's not strong enough for me. Yeah, I don't think it's worth me drinking because it's just gonna run right through me. So I'm gonna switch it out for a Red Bull. But let's go grab the boat and we'll be back. All right, we're back from storage. Got the boat, got the Garmin, and we're actually going to be putting this in as well. It just arrived while I was kind of reconfiguring the batteries back there. This is the REEFSCOPE. I'm easily influenced by anything that'll help me see underwater. And I saw this on a Facebook ad and I was like, fuck it, let me get it. So this will hook up to that and I'll be able to see underneath. Of course, seeing will depend on clarity because obviously live scope is not enough. And the main reason why I'm going with the GPS map is because it has HDMI. And I plan on getting a bigger screen. Well, I have one ordered. It won't be here probably until March. So I'll run this to the front and the bigger monitor will be back there once I get it. So I'll be running one unit instead of two separate ones. Let's put it in. All right, so that unit right there is a Garmin EchoMap UHD 93SV. I think I got that right. And the GPS maps has more features. So it's kind of a no-brainer to upgrade, especially for the price. Let's do the unboxing. I'm hoping that I can reuse the power wires so I don't have to rerun it. And it's just a quick plug and play, just re-drilling for mounting. And fingers crossed. Comes with a template. I don't believe this one comes with a transducer. So I'm just going to be reusing the transducer I'm using on that one. Ooh. What's all of this? What is this? Oh, trim pieces for, I guess, flush mounting it. Which we aren't doing. Here's help before you contact a retailer. Man, this thing is well protected. Ooh. I like that. What is this rubber for? Nice. Oh, this is being flush mounted, so I'll have to put those covers on. Assuming this is hardware. Yep. Power cable. NEMA 2000. Mounting bracket. What's all this? Install one ferrite bead on the power cable and each on network cables for devices with sonar. Also install one bead on each transducer cable. Okay. Does it just snap in? Oh, it does. Easy, easy. Okay. This thing is heavy. HDMI out, HDMI in. Yeah, so the UHD is super simple. You can use NEMA 2000 on it. Let's see if it's as simple as just plugging it up. Is the power cable the same? It is not looking the same. Damn it. Damn, damn, damn. Yeah, totally different. All right. Let's get this thing out. It's a sunny day today. I'm missing out. I should be out in the water. Oh, it's in my eye. I can't see. Let's see. Can I put it in the same holes and not have it interfere with the windshield? Oh yeah, that's good. But it kind of interferes with my cup holder. Oh well. Definitely don't want to drill more holes if I don't have to. All right. Don't mind this hole. It's going to be covered up, most of it. I need to get a grommet for it, actually. Clean that up a little bit. That'd be nice. All right. See. Sorry. We have that. And we're going to be using the supplied hardware in the kit, which I guess is not a nut and bolt system to hold it down. It's just screws. All right, before we go any further with that, since I do have to run the camera up here before I finalize everything, let's run the wire, the harness for the camera up to the front. Look at this stainless steel. This probably was a waste of money, but hey, whatever. Whatever, man. Whatever, man. I do what I want to do, man. 100% don't give a 100% don't give a All right, we're going to try and keep it simple. We're just going to mount it right next to the transducer. I should have moved the transducer a little bit over, but that way I'm not drilling into the hole, the transom or whatever, and I don't have to worry about any leaks. All right, instructions say not to mount it below the water line. So I guess I'll just mount it right above. Probably like something like right here. No regrets. Damn. Damn, the hardware just broke. Okay. I guess I'll just mount one just to hold it in place, and then I'll go get some hardware for it, just so I can run the wires. Can I get this through the scupper? Yes, let's go. Let's go. All right, so we'll worry about the mounting later. Let's snake the wire all the way to the front and just hook it up. Should be fairly easy, I hope. Easy. All right, here's the moment of truth. Satisfactory. Here's the Reef Scope in action. We're out here. Water clarity plays such a huge role. It's honestly not worth it. Look at that. You can see the vegetation, man. Pretty cool concept, but I wasted my money.